Hello friends, and welcome to our Halloween house tour for 2019. Come on in. Welcome to our home. So I was really excited to decorate this house. We moved in the end of June and I was so excited to decorate for Halloween. So this coffee table is in our living room right by the front door. I'm still organizing this room, but I wanted to bring a little element of Halloween in, so I made it like a little witch's table, and I just thought this would be so fun with the candles and the jars. And yes, that is a picture of my friend Denise. She has some really awesome pictures of her dressed up like a witch for Halloween. It is so cool. And it just looks so great at night with the candles lit. So fun. This welcome foolish mortal sign was brought to my attention by one of you, so thank you. I ran to a grocery store called Harmon's and grabbed this sign. I had to have it. It is just perfect because that is from the Haunted Mansion. I have been working on this Halloween village for years. It started off with a few little homes from the Dollar Tree, and then it just slowly evolved with Department 56 and Lemax. And Lemax you can get at Michael's. And I have not bought any of these items full price. Everything has been discounted. I get a lot of my things at Michael's. I get a lot of my things at the Dollar Tree because they are great fillers. I like using fake moss to fill in areas, and you're going to notice moss all around my house in little areas. They're a great filler. But I got a lot of lights from the Dollar Tree and they really just make everything pop. Also, I had a few of these donated to me from people that didn't want their village anymore. So I was like, yes, I'll take that. So this is how it's set up this year, and I absolutely love it. I do have a new haunted house that I grabbed from Michael's on sale and with the coupon, but I think I'll put it up next year and just save it. So this is what we have going on, and it's just so fun to look at. I don't get sick of it. It's like I catch something new every time I look at it, and I'm the one who set it up. The kids love this. Derek loves it. He actually helps me set this up because there's a lot of wires involved. And he loves, well, playing with me, actually. It's like the grown-ups dollhouse. And he helps me put it together. And it's just so fun. And this is the entryway to our home. So now we're gonna go up the stairs, and you notice I have these spiders that are just trickling up the stairs. It creeps Derek out because he is afraid of spiders. I love it. I love these windows on the landing. So I decided to do this theme, the black and white theme, because I have a lot of black and white combination of decorations, but I also added a few touch of fake greeneries and flowers in it to break up that black and white. This was actually really fun to put together. Then when you get upstairs in the hall, there is this table here, which I got at Hobby Lobby. I did it very simple. I made it look like fall and just added a Happy Halloween sign on top of the lantern. And then in the corner, you guys know this shelf, you've seen it in a lot of my videos. I also just did a black and orange theme to this. And the last decoration at the bottom I have had since Callie was a little baby. So I've had that for a very long time. And in the hall I hung our candy corn wreath. I used to have this on our front door if you guys remember. And this is all that I have done in the hall area of the home. I didn't want to clutter it. In the bathroom I have a witch towel, just a few signs. I kept it simple and non-cluttered. Notice this is the bird cage that's usually on my dining room table. And I just put in some of my potion bottles inside with that fake moss. And I just love how simple and elegant this looks in the bathroom. I didn't want to overcrowd this bathroom. It's the main bathroom where all the kids use it. Now in my laundry room, this is so cute. I just did the windowsill. And the two signs are from Michael's. And then on the floor in the laundry room, I put a cushiony mat and that says boo. Now we're back downstairs. This is our family room. And this year for the couch, I got some of that buffalo checkered print pillows, and those are from Hobby Lobby. And then I found this Halloween blanket, and I believe I got it at Home Goods. And a couple of other pillows. I'm actually missing a few pillows in the move, so I think I have another Halloween bin somewhere. So here's a look at the focal point of the family room where the fireplace is. And here's what it looks like lit up at night. It's so pretty. So I didn't clutter the mantle like I usually do. If you watch house tours in the past, there's lots of stuff, but I did very simple this year. That Hughes family sign I got at Pick Your Plum, so I kept it very simple and not cluttered. I tried to get like an antique feel to these shelves on the fireplace. I did make the vampire blood potion bottle, that was fun. And the other bottle was made by my friend Denise. Oh, these books are so fun. I got this at Big Lots, I want to say last year. Oh, the kids love this one. And yes, that is a bust of Derek. A co-worker of his made it for him when he had his beard. So fun. In the corner, I took the window frame that we had that I used to put up on top of the fireplace, if you guys remember, here in the corner of the living room with some Halloween pillows. And in the other corner, I have like a witch area. This Hocus Pocus book I actually made, I want to say last year or the year before. And I do have a video on how you can make your own spell books. They're really easy and lots of fun to do. And I also have a video on where you can make the apothecary jars. This is the windowsill behind our couch. And I did it very simple as well. I did not want to clutter this space. And at night we turn on those candles and it just creates a beautiful ambiance. Here behind the couch I have this big cauldron filled with all these fun fake Halloween flowers and twigs. And then inside I have some very small lights that I got from the Dollar Tree. Let's head into the kitchen. So I kept the kitchen very simple this time. Maybe it's the different style of the home, I don't know, but I really wanted it simple. So for the dining room table, I did just that. I found this runner at Ross. It was so cheap. So in the center, I decorated it very simple, again with that moss to fill in the space, and I love it. It's easy, simple, beautiful. I also did this on our big island. You know, the dining room table and the island get cluttered very easily, so I didn't want to add too much to it. Of course, I had to pull out the Halloween apron, and this is from the Haunted Mansion. I was so excited to grab this from Disneyland, you guys. So fun. And of course I have to add some decorative towels. I've had these Happy Halloween towels for a few years now. And then our fruit bowl is a cauldron I found, and I absolutely adore it. And just a simple plate that I found, I believe, last year. And then, of course, I have to have something yummy smelling in the house. And the scent warmer is from the Sensational Outlet in Provo, Utah. On another section of the counter, I just have this gorgeous tree that I got from Target. And I just kept it very simple with a pumpkin. That way it didn't clutter the space. Okay, this is my favorite spot in the kitchen, is the corner where the sink is. So my soap dispenser for my dishes is in a skeleton jar. I got that from a friend. And then I made this like a witch central with the shoes and the Salem General Store sign. These frames I found, I believe, at the DI, and I just love how they look antiqued. And I went online and found some fun pictures to print out and put those in there. Last year I found these salt and pepper shakers at Kneaders, and I just adore them. So that is all the Halloween decorations that you guys see in the kitchen. On top of the refrigerator, I kept it simple, fall looking, and on top of the pantry door, I have this hanging bat. Now let's stroll into the mudroom. I absolutely adore this area. Again, it's like the witch section. I love Halloween witches. I just think they're fun. So on the coat rack, this just looks beautiful. We're doing the whole black and orange theme, which I absolutely love, all dedicated to witches. That big witch in the moon circle sign I got at Home Goods. It was a birthday present from a friend, and I absolutely love it. Next, let's go into the bathroom here off of the mudroom. I decorated this bathroom a little bit more than the other one upstairs. I had some fun with it. Fun. And then the sign above the toilet, there is a button you could press and it makes sounds and it lights up. I think that's adorable. And this Nevermore towel was also a birthday gift from some friends. They're so sweet. And then do you guys remember from all the other house tours these Halloween posters? Well, I put one up here behind the door, so when they shut the door, they get a fun little Halloween treat for them. Well, that's my Halloween house tour for 2019. Again, I am missing some Halloween decorations. I think there's a bin missing from the move. I'm missing pillows. There's a few other decorations that I'm missing. Maybe it'll pop up when I go through all the Christmas stuff. I don't know, but there was a lot more I could have put up this year, but I just took it easy, and that way I could get an idea of how I'd like to decorate the house for next year. But this year I just kept it very simple. If you decorate for Halloween, tag me in a post on Instagram or DM me some of your fun decorations. I would love to see. Thank you guys so much for joining me, and you have a great day. Bye.